Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do another unboxing. This one is Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle Collab Super Saiyan 2 Son Goku. Here we have the front, the side, back side that shows with pictures of Goku and Vegeta fighting, the bottom of the box, then the top of the box, and also here's the toe animation sticker showing the intensity of his figure, meaning that it is a real figure and not a bootleg. Here when you open it, it shows how to put the lightning effect on Goku. Stand, very well designed, saying Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle. Here's a stand that goes on Goku's back. Here we have the lower body of Goku. Upper body of Goku. Here is the halo of Goku that goes on top of his head. Are the lightning effects of Goku, the Super Saiyan 2 lightning effect. There we have it. Goku. I already put the lightning, the halo, in his body, upper body and lower body. Looks very well done. The thing I do want to mention is that this is a pain of the ass doing this. Took me like 20 minutes or 10 minutes. Felt it 20 minutes though. Putting this lightning effect, especially, and then his lower back. It's not well put in, so I think this figure that I have is defective. Because I tried to put it in there, but it doesn't go through. So those are the only cons of this. This figure takes a long time to put in. It's also very fragile. If you just touch it, sometimes it might fall or not. Really depends. Let's talk of the good things of this figure. Well, I think it's very well painted. His body, his muscles, the structure of it, very well done. I also like the lightning effects. I really do. The only thing is putting it together takes time. You gotta read the instructions too, like where each piece goes. The halo's very well done too. So just now this one fall. So that's why I mentioned you guys, this is fragile. I mean, you make it and then you just gotta put it in your cabinet where we're gonna put it, or your bookshelf. And this figure I bought it in Box Lunch for $21. Now I do recommend this because of the lighting effects and everything. It just looks nice compared to other Goku figures that just shows Goku doing a Kamehameha or just his standing pose. I think this one's better because of the lighting effects, the halo. I prefer getting this one than any other ones that I've seen. Now they could have added more things to it, like a Dragon Ball effect, because that's what it seems like he's doing. His hands showing like he's gonna throw an energy ball. There you guys have it. Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle Super Saiyan 2 Son Goku. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful, and it will help you decide if you want to get this or not. And like always guys, give it a like to this video if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. And also comment below what you guys think of this figure, if you guys are gonna get it or not. Thank you guys for watching. See you until next time. Like always, stay safe, have a great day, and see you until next time.